Notice of correction concerning frivolous, clarifying misuse and legal implications. Definition and purpose. A notice of correction concerning frivolous is an official statement issued to dispute, clarify, or correct the wrongful application of the term frivolous in legal, financial, or administrative contexts. The term frivolous often carries negative implications, particularly in legal disputes, government filings, and tax matters, as it suggests a claim, argument, or filing is lacking legal merit, baseless, or intended to deceive or delay proceedings. This notice serves as a formal correction when an entity or authority wrongfully labels a legitimate claim, dispute, or legal argument as frivolous, ensuring that the mischaracterization does not result in legal, financial, or reputational harm. Common contexts where frivolous may be misapplied. 1. Legal filings and court proceedings. A lawsuit or motion may be wrongly deemed frivolous if a court or opposing party misinterprets the legal foundation. Individuals accused of filing frivolous lawsuits may face sanctions, fines, or case dismissals. 2. Tax filings and IRS disputes. The IRS may categorize tax arguments as frivolous under IRC Section 6702, resulting in penalties. Incorrect classification may prevent legitimate tax claims or deductions from being reviewed properly. 3. Credit and financial disputes. Credit bureaus may wrongfully reject valid credit report disputes by marking them as frivolous. Financial institutions may deny fraud claims or billing disputes on the same grounds. 4. Government and administrative decisions. Public agencies may reject appeals or petitions as frivolous, wrongly dismissing valid claims. Licensing boards and regulatory bodies may refuse legitimate grievances based on misapplied legal terminology. Legal and procedural steps to correct a wrongful frivolous designation. 1. Review the basis for the frivolous claim. Obtain the official ruling, letter, or decision where the term frivolous was used. Identify the legal reasoning or procedural justification provided for the classification. 2. Issue a formal notice of correction. Clearly state the misclassification and the reasons why the claim is not frivolous. Cite relevant laws, precedents, or regulations that support the validity of the claim. Attach supporting documentation, including prior case law, expert opinions, or statutes. 3. File an appeal or challenge the decision. Legal cases. File a motion for reconsideration or appeal the frivolous ruling. IRS disputes. Submit a formal written response under IRS Notice 3176C to challenge the classification. Credit disputes. Resubmit the dispute with stronger supporting evidence and request a supervisor review. Government appeals. Submit a petition for administrative review or escalate the matter to an oversight body. 4. Request formal removal or retraction. Demand an official correction or reclassification of the claim. If applicable, request that any penalties, dismissals, or denials be reversed. Retain documentation proving that the claim was improperly labeled. Preventive measures against future frivolous designations. Ensure all filings and disputes are well documented, fact-based, and supported by evidence. Reference applicable laws, case law, and procedural guidelines to establish credibility. Use precise legal and financial language to avoid misinterpretation. If disputing a prior ruling, address any deficiencies noted in the original decision. A notice of correction concerning frivolous is essential for individuals and businesses to safeguard legal rights, prevent financial penalties, and protect reputational integrity. Addressing wrongful classifications promptly can prevent unnecessary litigation, fines, and administrative barriers.